So I am going to show you how to close multiple trades at once on MT5. On MT4 you don't have that ability. You have to follow your trades one in order to close them, and sometimes you need to close a trade very fast because it might be during news, so you can't be following one by one if you have multiple trades. So in this video I'm going to open 10 positions, different assets. I am going to make some to be losing positions and some to be winning positions, and you will see how to close all of them using MT5. So on MT5 you have these buttons over here. This is how you know that you are on MT5. This button that you are seeing is an instant button. If I click it, it's bringing out the buy and the sell buttons for me. If I click this once, it will take me in for a buy. It doesn't give you options or to ask you, do you want to buy or do you want to sell? It doesn't do that. So if you are activating them, know that it is a one-click button. It's the one-click option that you are going to use when you want to close your trades. So let's say I am on my quotes right now. I want to enter for a buy on GBP USD. There are different ways of doing it. Press and hold, click on new order. I can edit it to be one lot. So let me click to buy one lot. I am in GBP USD now with one lot. Now go back to your quotes again. Let me sell Euro USD. Now GBP USD and Euro USD, they go the same direction, but for the sake of this video I want to sell one lot opposite of GBP USD so that we could have some losing positions and winning positions. So I'm going to click sell. Now I will go to the quotes again and then go to USD JPY and add another one lot. I will sell on it. And let's go to quotes again and go to gold. I will add one lot on gold, buy. Then let's go to US oil. I'm going to add new order again. Let me sell US oil and Bitcoin. We have Bitcoin. Let me click on new order as well. Bitcoin, let me go in with sell or buy. So I have buy on Bitcoin. So this is it. You can see that in some of the trades you are winning, in some you are losing. You have different options. When you come to this trade part that is under the menu here, you will see these three dots. These three dots that you are seeing is the option for the one click button, the same way that it would have given you this one. If I activate that, I want to click on a buy on the chart here, I want to use the one click option of MT5. So you see they are giving you a disclaimer. You have to accept their terms. You click I accept these terms and conditions, which means even if it is by mistake that you click, it will take you into the market. So you have to accept the terms. This is the option you are looking for to close many trades at once, and it can also help you to open a trade with instant click. So once you just click once, it opens it for you, but because I've not activated it, it won't give me that option unless I have accepted the terms. But let's say somehow you didn't use the instant button, but you used through the codes. Now you have entered for the trade. Under your trades, you see we have some that we are winning, we have some that we are losing. So you see these three dots that are here, click on it. You see it's still the one click trading that you have to accept. So let's accept the terms now to give us the options to close trades, multiple trades at once. So let us click on accept and click on OK. You have accepted their terms and their conditions now. So what you need to do right now is to click on that any subsequent trades now that you are going to be doing. You are going to click here, these three dots that you are seeing. Now you find the three dots under the threads, so you click on the three dots. So do you want to close? It's giving you options of closing all positions, or close only the profitable positions, or close only the losing positions. So I may decide to say I want only to close only the profitable positions, and it will only close the ones that I am in profit on them only. But the ones that you are in a loss, it will not close them if you choose the close profitable. But if you click close all positions, even if it's by mistake, it will close all positions for you. So let's close only the profitable positions. So you see it has closed it at once. If you go to your history, you can see it already. It has closed them. Now if you want to close these losing positions, you go there again, these three dots, you click on them, and then you click on close all positions, and it will close all the positions, because the positions that are remaining now are the ones that are in a loss already. So you can either close all of them, or you close the losing. Since they are losing, it will close all of them as well. This is just how to close multiple trades. In fact, this thing is applicable even if you have 10 or 20 trades, it will close all of them at once. Let's try it on this and see. So let me click on this. You see, I'm going to use the instant button to enter 10 positions. Now, in order not to drain what is there in the account, let's go in with 0.3 lots on GBP USD. So let me buy one. You see it has entered. How many now? It has added position. 2. This is the use of the one-click trading. So you can use it to enter quickly into the market, or you can use it to close trades. So I'm going to enter 10 positions. So I've entered another one. We have 3 now, or we have 4 now. So I'm going to open 6 more positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 positions extra. You see, they are up to 10. In fact, to make it up to 20 for you, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, so how many positions do we have open? Just look at them. They are multiple. 1, 2. So we can all close these trades at once. You can just close them all at once with this. You see, so you can close all positions. So it will close all at once for you. You know, on MT4, you follow 1 and be doing like this, and you click. You get during news. Who has that time for you? So you can't be doing that 1 during news, or when you need to close your trade fast. So you just go over here, tap on these 3 dots, close all positions, and it will wipe out everything at once. This is very beautiful. If you have any question regarding this, let me know in the comment section. And if you need free mentorship, I offer that for you for free. You can join the group, and in that same group I send trade signals as well. So you can join the group to learn how to trade Forex. And if you are the type that you are looking for trade signals, I give free trade signals there as well. The link to the free WhatsApp mentorship group is in the description box. You just click and you join the group. Now, if you have any further questions in Forex, you can ask as well in the group. Do have a lovely day. Bye.